Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I did this Freddy Krueger makeup. First I'm just taking some liquid latex. I got this one from Amazon and I'm pouring it into a little plastic bowl. You want to start with a small amount and then add a little bit of flour. We're making some latex paste so we can make our own prosthetics. Add it a little bit at a time because if you add in too much it's going to be too chunky and it's not going to work. You just want to mix it until you get a paste consistency. This is a little too thick. Preferably it would be a little bit thinner than this, not as lumpy, but it worked anyway. So, and here I'm just smoothing out the latex paste into the shape that I want it to be. And I added this muscle fiber texture. I just took the tool that I was spreading it out with and drew in lines. On this side, I waited for it to dry a little bit before I started. And on the other ones, I did it when it was still more wet. I would say if you're going to add in texture, you want to do it when it's still completely wet or when it has almost fully dried with a little bit of latex on your tool so it doesn't get stuck. And then I did put a second layer of latex paste on to look like skin. You'll see what I mean in a second. But I glued all of the prosthetics on with the Prosthetics too. When you're applying Prosthetics, you want to apply it to the skin and the prosthetic and then let it completely dry on both so that it's nice and tacky for when you stick the prosthetic down. And we're just going to ignore the black fuzzy thing I glued to my face. I pull it off in a second. Now I'm just applying foundation over the prosthetics so that it looks like skin, plus some red because the skin is a little bit red. And then I'm just filling in the holes with, I'm starting off with pink body paint, and then I went over it with a skin colored eyeshadow, and then I used red and purple eyeshadows to create dimension within the burn wounds. While I was making these prosthetics, I forgot that edges are a thing that actually matter, which is why there's so many rough ones on this one. So if you are going to remake this, I would recommend making sure that you put a thin layer of latex around the edge. This is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like and a comment, and maybe subscribe if you did. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great day.